Good morning. This is your Madam Morning G. Today, this morning, nakahingi tayo ng maraming watermelon and honeydew. At ipapakain natin sa ating mga alaga. Kapag may tiyaga, may nilaga. This is your Madam Morning G. Please subscribe to my channel. So, ito papakain natin I'm gonna give this to my goose and ducks, as well as the chicken. They love it. This is their breakfast every morning, as long as there is free honeydew and free watermelon, and we will feed them every day. Because in our backyard, side yard, neighbor, we have this vendor for these. So narkila nila yung space there. So nagtitinda sila. I'm gonna show you. So ito mga not so sira, at the same time pwede pa sa mga gansa, bibe at manok natin. So everyday naghihingi ako. So I'm gonna show you their area. Ulit pakwanan. This is my garden. I love my plants. This I put water. There are water plants. I'll show you the area ng pakwanan na malapit sa amin. Later, magbibigay daw uli sila ng mga defect na mga fruits ng pakwan. Ayan, dito. This one here. Today is 7:30 in the morning. So, let's proceed na sa backyard. Papakain natin ang mga gansa, bibe at itik. Almusal nila, watermelon, honeydew, whatever. Good morning my babies. They are very hungry and very excited to eat this watermelon and honeydew. Okay, I give your part, don't worry. Let's go. I give here. Don't in a hurry. Okay, there you go. There you go. They love it. Call the chicken. Breakfast. Eat your breakfast. They love it. This is the way I call my chickens, so they love it. Now let's proceed to the goose area. I can give you, don't worry. Obviously, they really love it. One bucket, I'm gonna give the other side the duck. Enjoy your breakfast. This is the duck. You're so very bad. So here are plenty of ducks and one goose at the same time. Okay, that's here. Come here. Beep. Breakfast fruits available. There you go. Honeydew. They love it. There's plenty of, don't worry. They love it. Every morning this is the scene like this. As long as there's a free fruits, we will give them. Thank you for watching. This is your Madam Morning G. Please subscribe to my channel. Spread love, not hate. Bye!